My name is Hadas Shafir-Shekhter. I'm the representative of Technion Israel Institute of Technology. Technion is top-ranked university in Israel. We have 3 campuses, one in Haifa, Israel, one in China, Guangdong area, and one in New York with a cooperation of Cornell University. We are here to explore an opportunity to work with agents. I actually have a mandate from all the 5 universities in Israel to explore these opportunities. So I'm here to network with the new agents and agency to understand better the market, the business models and the relationships with agents. And hopefully we will find a good partners in here. This is the first time I participate in such event. I found out it's a good way to meet a lot of people in the same place. I met a few potential agencies in here, people that I haven't met and I haven't known that they have such a service. The organization of the event was very well organized. The methodology of how to work with the different type of partnerships was very well organized. I met with different agencies all across the world with the specific areas that we have a great interest of recruiting students, and hopefully it will be fruitful collaborations.